start this video with a brief introduction to Bard and ChatGPT before comparing them. As we know that soon AI is going to replace programmers. Before it replaces, I decided to make a video about them because later I will do work as a farmer. Luckily, I have land for farming. You guys start to consider what you will do in future. Here are a few job suggestions for you. Code comedian, debugging therapist, algorithm DJ, AI relationship counselor, plumber or carpenter. These jobs will have a lot of great opportunities in future. Let's see what Bard and ChatGPT is. Both are language models, also known as chatbot. Both are informative and comprehensive. They can communicate and produce text like humans since they have been trained on vast amounts of text data. ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. In response to ChatGPT, Google developed Bard and released in March 2023. I think that GPT is far good in generating code. Let's see how GPT is better than Bard for programmer. This is my personal opinion and it's based on the following questions which I asked. First one, generating codes, and second one, tell programming jokes. Third one, are you going to replace programmer? Let's see first generating code. Let's first give command to GPT, create a portfolio website for a software developer. You can see that ChatGPT is generating code like a monster. Now give prompt to the Bard, create a portfolio website for a software developer. It gives us the code. Now copy and paste in the IDE and check its result. This is the portfolio site generated by Bard and I don't know what to say. You guys decide. GPT result. Now see website created by GPT. It looks awesome. I have just added one image to this website. Anything else written by GPT, even though I didn't write a single line of code. This is the power of AI. You can see that it created a beautiful site within seconds. We have navbars, hero section and a few other sections like about me, skills, experience and project section. And at last we have a footer section. GPT also gave us animation. That's why I am saying that AI is going to replace programmers soon. Check out the programming jokes that Bard and ChatGPT provide. Let's see in GPT, write any programming joke. Here we got a joke, but this is not very interesting. We can regenerate response and then see how it is. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. I think it was a good joke. Now let's write 3 more jokes. I think these jokes are not bad. It's a little bit funny. Now give command to the Bard AI chatbot, write any programming joke. Bard give us the very cool joke. I think it's not funny enough, or maybe because I do not know Java, that's why I couldn't understand this joke. But you see Bard give jokes that are not related. You see GPT give jokes that are not related to any language. Any programmer can understand the joke. Finally, I asked a very important questions. Are you going to replace programmers? Both chatbots give sensible answer. Both say AI is here to help programmers. AI bots can just generate code but cannot come with an idea. But you know that is not true. Soon AI is going to do more and more things.